Okay, so share ko sa inyo ito guys, no, kung paano natin guys i-recover ang ating Facebook account na nagkaroon guys ng two-factor authentication. Okay, so para ma-recover natin guys ang ating Facebook account guys na nagkaroon guys ng two-factor authentication guys, ay papakita ko sa inyo guys, no. So try natin guys i-login guys sa ating Facebook application. Yan, so punta tayo dyan. So wait lang guys, no, ilalagay ko lang guys yung ating Facebook account. So papakita ko lang sa inyo guys na nagkaroon guys ng two-factor authentication guys, no. So wait lang guys. So login natin guys. Yan. So papakita ko lang sa inyo guys, no. Yan, so kung makita nyo guys ay meron ditong nakalagay guys na check your text message, enter the code we send to. Ito yung number natin sana guys, no, para ma-recover natin yung Facebook account natin sa two-factor authentication. Ang problema dito guys ay wala na tayong access guys sa ating number na ito guys, or wala na rin tayong access guys sa ating email guys. So try natin ito guys, no. Try natin ito guys yung try another way guys. Ito guys, no. So click natin guys yung try another way. Yan. So kung makita nyo guys ay ito yung lumalabas guys, no. So kailangan pa rin guys ng text message guys sa ating number guys para may recover sana natin guys yung Facebook account natin guys sa two-factor authentication guys. So backup code guys, wala na rin tayong backup codes. Yan. So tuturo ko sa sunod sa inyo guys yung backup code na yan guys. So ang gagawin natin dito guys ay try natin guys yung account recovery na ito. Yan. So try natin yan guys. So ito yung way guys, no, para ma-recover natin yung Facebook account natin guys. So kailangan lang natin dito guys ay mag-submit ng valid IDs natin guys. Dito guys. So dito guys pwede nating i-recover yung Facebook account natin via Facebook application, or pwede rin natin i-recover guys yung Facebook account natin guys sa Google guys. So sa akin guys, prepare ko guys na mag-recover guys ng Facebook account guys ay sa Google guys, no, kasi kumpleto doon guys yung option guys kaysa dito guys sa Facebook application guys. So labas tayo guys, no. So sa ngayon guys ay doon na ako magre-recover guys sa ating Google Chrome browser guys, no. So back tayo guys. So labas tayo dito guys. So ngayon guys ay pupunta tayo guys dito guys sa ating Google Chrome browser natin guys, no. So dito tayo guys magre-recover guys ng Facebook account natin guys. So pasok tayo diyan. So pagdating natin dito sa Chrome browser natin guys, so makita niyo dito guys yung search engine guys ay type lang natin guys yung Facebook. Yan, so facebook.com. So dito tayo mag-open guys ng Facebook account natin guys, or dito natin i-recover guys yung Facebook account natin. So dito i-type pa rin natin guys yung email natin. So wait lang guys, no. Mag-type lang ako guys ng email ko guys. Open ko lang ulit guys yung Facebook ko. So open na natin guys, no. Yan, so wait lang natin guys. Yan, so kung makita nyo guys, meron pa rin guys two-factor authentication guys, no. So ngayon guys, i-recover na natin guys yung Facebook account natin guys na nagkaroon guys ng two-factor authentication. So para ma-recover natin yan guys, ay i-click lang natin guys yung try another way na ito guys. Yan, so click natin guys yung try another way. Yan. Tapos click natin guys yung account recovery guys. Ito guys, no. So wala na tayong ano dito guys, no. Halimbawa wala na tayo ditong connection guys, or wala na tayong options diyan guys para i-recover natin guys yung Facebook account natin guys. So ang gagawin lang natin guys, i-click lang natin guys yung account recovery na ito guys, no. Yan, so click natin guys yung account recovery. So kung makita nyo guys, makita nyo dito guys yung submit a photo of your ID guys. So i-click lang natin guys yung submit a photo of your ID. So click natin yan. So dito guys ay magsisend tayo guys ng ID natin guys, no. ID lang kailangan natin guys para ma-recover natin guys yung Facebook account natin guys na nagkaroon guys ng two-factor authentication. Okay, so dito guys, ito yung mga step nila guys. So step 1, tell us how can we reach you guys, at yung upload your ID. So bali dalawa lang guys, no, yung kailangan dito guys para ma-recover natin guys yung Facebook account natin guys na nagkaroon guys ng two-factor authentication guys. So click natin guys yung next na ito. Click natin yung next na yan. So pagka-click natin guys ng next na yan guys, ay ito yung lalabas guys, no, how can we reach you guys. So sabi nga nila dito guys, provide an email or WhatsApp number that we can use to contact you about getting back into your account guys. So dito guys ay mag-add tayo dito guys ng email natin guys, no. So kung wala na kayong access sa email nyo guys, so pwede kayong gumawa ng bago nyong email guys, tapos ilalagay natin dito guys para ma-contact tayo guys ng Facebook account guys, kung sakali guys makapag-send tayo guys ng valid ID natin guys. Okay? So kailangan lang nyo guys ng active email guys, no, kasi dyan isi-send guys yung recovery code or recovery method guys ng Facebook guys, para ma-recover natin guys yung Facebook account natin guys sa 2-factor authentication guys. So sa akin guys, ilalagay ko lang dito guys yung email ko na nabubuksan ko at active guys, no. So maglagay lang ako dito guys ng email ko guys. Yan, so kung makita nyo guys ay nakalagay na ako guys ng email ko guys. So edit ko lang pala guys. Yan, so kung makita nyo guys, nakalagay na ako guys ng email ko. So ngayon guys ay click lang natin guys yung next. Yan. So dito guys pwede tayo guys, no, pwede tayo maglagay ng email natin or pwede tayo maglagay dito guys ng WhatsApp number natin guys or number natin guys, no. So sa akin guys yung email ko lang guys, no, email ko lang yung ilalagay ko guys. So click ko lang guys yung next. Yan. So wait lang natin guys, no. Yan, so nag-send sila daw guys ng code guys, no, sa nilagay nating email guys. So back tayo guys, punta tayo guys sa Gmail application natin guys, kung saan guys ay active yung Google account natin guys or Gmail account natin guys. Yan, so hanapin lang natin dito. So wait lang natin guys, no. So hintayin natin dito guys yung ginsend sa atin guys na code guys, no. Yan, so kung makita nyo guys, nandito yung code guys, no. Your email confirmation code guys. Yan. So click natin yan guys, buksan natin. Kunin natin guys yung code guys, no. Ilagay natin doon guys para ma-confirm natin guys. Yan. So wait na natin guys, no. So sabi nga nila dito, "Hi Michael, use this code to verify your email address on Facebook." Yan, so kung makita nyo dito guys yung confirmation code, nandito guys yung confirmation code. So copy natin yan siya guys. Yan. So kung gusto nyo copy guys, ganito lang yung pagka-copy guys. I-hold niyo guys yung number nito, yung 6 digit nito. Hold natin ng 5 seconds. So halimbawa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at lalabas guys yung copy. So click natin guys yung copy. Yan. Tapos back tayo doon guys. I-confirm natin guys. Back tayo guys sa Google Chrome browser natin. So confirm natin guys yung code guys. Yan. So click lang natin guys yung next. Yan. So wait lang natin guys, no. Yan, so kung makita nyo dito guys, choose type of your ID guys. So dito guys madami tayong pagpipilian guys na kung saan yung gusto nating i-send guys na valid ID guys. So click lang natin guys yung show more. Yan. So dito guys sa choose type of your ID guys, so pwede tayong makapag-send guys ng passport, driver's license, national ID. So national ID siguro guys meron na kayo kasi madami nang nakakuha guys ng national ID ngayon. So marriage certificate pwede guys. So official name change paperwork. So madami guys, no. Green card residence. So madami guys. Yan. So madami pa yan siya guys. Tax identification card, immigration registered card, national age card, visa, tsaka family certificate, voter, tsaka tribal identification or status card guys. So madami guys, no. So dito guys magpili na lang kayo guys kung anong isasend nyo guys na valid IDs niyo guys. So sa akin guys, yung isasend ko na valid IDs dito guys yung driver's license guys, no. So meron naman kasi ako ditong license guys. So tapos i-click lang natin guys yung next na ito guys. Click natin guys yung next. Yan. So driver's license yung napili ko guys, no. So dito guys, kailangan lang natin daw dito guys mag-upload ng front ng ID natin at yung back ng ID natin guys. So sabi nila dito, the information on your ID must be clearly visible in the photo, otherwise you might have to submit it again. So kailangan guys, no, malinaw guys yung pagka-capture natin ng ID natin guys para maiwasan natin guys yung error guys, no. So para makapag-submit tayo ng front of ID natin guys, i-click lang natin ito guys yung front of ID na ito para picturean natin guys yung harap ng ID natin guys. So sa akin guys, picturean ko lang yung harap ng ID ko guys. So wait lang guys, no. Yan, so kung makita nyo guys, meron na ako guys, front ng ID ko guys. So ngayon guys, i-click ko naman guys yung back of ID guys. So click ko lang to guys yung back of ID. Picturean natin yung guys yung likod ng ID natin. Yan, so napicturean ko na yung sa akin guys. So ngayon guys, kung makita nyo guys, meron na akong back to back guys, no, harap tsaka yung likod guys na nasin ko dito guys. So click lang natin guys yung submit na ito guys, no. So make sure nyo guys na malinaw guys yung pagka picture nyo guys. So click natin guys yung submit. So wait lang natin guys. So try natin guys, no, kung tanggapin guys yung sinin natin guys na ID guys. So medyo mahina guys yung connection natin guys, no. So wait lang natin. So yan na yun guys, no, naglo-loading na siya guys. So wait lang natin. So sabi na nila nga dito guys, so identify confirmation progress. We usually review your information within 48 hours. We'll send you a notification once we've made a decision guys. Okay, so 48 hours daw guys, no. So minsan guys, hindi naman guys umabot talaga guys ng 48 hours guys. So siguro mga 15 minutes guys, no, based sa pagre-recover ko dati guys. So sana guys ganun pa rin hanggang ngayon guys, no. So wait na lang natin guys sa email natin guys yung confirmation ng Facebook guys, no. So click lang natin guys yung finish na ito guys. So click natin guys finish. Yan, so wait lang guys, no. So Chrome pa rin tayo. Yan, so hintayin na lang natin doon guys yung recovery method ni Facebook guys, or yung recovery link guys ni Facebook sa Gmail account natin guys. So punta tayo guys sa Facebook, sa ano guys, sa Gmail account natin. So wait lang guys, no. So doon tayo guys maghintay guys ng recovery code guys, no, or recovery link guys. So wait lang natin guys. Yan, so hintayin na lang natin dito guys. So hintayin natin guys mag-email guys yung Facebook guys, Facebook team guys, no. So wala pa guys. So hintayin lang natin guys yung bagong email guys, no. Antay-antay lang tayo guys. So kung makita nyo guys, no, so forward natin guys. So kung makita nyo guys, nandito guys yung email guys ni Facebook guys. Yan. So mga minutes lang guys yung hinintay ko guys, no. Hindi naman siya guys umabot guys ng 48 hours guys. So minutes lang hinintay ko guys ay nag-email na agad guys si Facebook team guys para ma-recover natin guys yung Facebook account natin guys sa two-factor authentication guys. Okay? So forward na natin guys. So click natin guys yung Facebook na yung ano na ito, yung email ni Facebook na ito. So click natin yan. So sabi nila nga dito guys, you can now get back into your account. Sabi nila dito, hi Michael, thank you for your confirming your identity. You can click the button below to get back into your account. Yan. So kung makita nyo guys, click natin guys sa pinakababa. Ay scroll natin sa pinakababa guys. Makita niyo dito guys, you can also go to Facebook and use this code as your password guys. So ito guys, pwede natin gamitin to guys bilang password guys, no. So pwede natin gamitin yung code na yan guys bilang password, or pwede tayong mag-click dito guys sa get back into your account guys. So minsan kasi guys, ito guys hindi siya gumagana guys, no. So ito na lang pipiliin natin guys, yung link na ito guys, get back into your account guys. Sabi nga nila dito, your unlock code and link will expired on August 1, 2024. So may expiration siya guys, no. So kailangan guys ay malagin na natin guys yung account natin guys. So click natin guys yung get back into your account. So click natin yan. So pupunta tayo ngayon guys sa Google Chrome browser natin guys. So sabi nga nila dito guys, remember browser, pwede ring save nyo guys. So pwedeng don't save guys. So sa akin guys, i-don't save ko lang guys, no. Yan, tapos click ko lang guys yung continue na ito. Yan. So wait na natin guys. So sabi nila dito, confirm access to your phone guys, your login codes are sent. Do you still have access to this phone? So halimbawa nga guys, nawala natin yung access guys sa phone natin. So click lang natin guys yung no. So click natin yung no guys. Yan. So dito naman guys, your account is unlocked. You can now use your account. Please add phone number to receive login approval in the future. So sa akin dito guys, i-turn off ko muna guys yung two-factor authentication natin guys. Or pwede kayong mag-add guys, no? Pwede kayong mag-add ng add new number nyo guys sa inyong Facebook account. So sa akin guys, yung una kong gagawin dito guys, or una natin gagawin guys, ay turn off muna natin guys yung two-factor authentication guys. So click natin guys yung turn off two-factor authentication. Yan, so wait lang natin guys, no? Yan, so kung makita nyo guys, two-factor authentication off. So na-off na natin guys. So ngayon guys, i-click natin guys yung okay na ito. So click natin yung okay. Yan. So wait natin guys kung makabalik tayo. Yan. So kung makita nyo guys, nakabalik na tayo guys sa ating Facebook account guys. So ganun lang kadali guys, no, kung paano natin guys i-recover ang ating Facebook account guys na nagkaroon guys ng two-factor authentication guys sa ating Facebook account. Okay? So maraming salamat guys, no. I hope guys na makatulong sa inyo itong video tutorial natin guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo guys, and God bless sa ating lahat guys.